Once I got it, now I got it on a one-way trip, on a wave now. And I don't know how, but I got it too exotic, tripping, homie, we don't play around. I'm on a one-way trip away now. I'm singing, never look down to the ground, no way now. A one-way trip, I'm on a one-way trip, away now. I'm on a one-way trip, away now. One-way trip.
Fucking hell, Jesus Christ. Holy shit. Is like everyone gonna half blow this line?
You think? Yeah.
What's your idea? It's a blind corner, you fucking idiots. Fucking asshole. Fucking signal help turn.
Pedestrians through here too. And people parking.
Nice MKC.
What are you doing?
They don't have their lights on.
Okay.
See, look.
Okay.
It worked. Why? Why do you have to be that dumb about it? I'm right fucking there, you idiot. Get over, you fucking idiot. Holy shit, he apexed that. What an idiot.
Two, wow.
And mail car ran the stop sign. Pretty sure that's a stop sign run. Double check that. I was looking down.
He's just standing there in their front yard.
Hey, perfect for wet Wednesdays. 624-6478. Just idiot. 466-3662. Oh, that is not good. 436-7321. They literally have their fucking front. That's a bit close. Oh my god, that's wrong side of the road. That's a good stop sign. That was way too close. Fucking Toyota drivers. See. 103-400.
Look, I don't wanna fight you. You gotta know that I meant it when I said that I liked you. Or maybe just the idea. I bought it, don't want it, now return the shit like IKEA. Apologize, I'm not a mind reader. I need attention, so I try to be a crowd pleaser. It was easy till it got a little deeper. Now I don't know how to deal with you, so I'ma disappear. I'm a ghost. Now you see me, now you don't. I'm a ghost. Every time you hit the phone. I'm a ghost. Now you see me, now you don't. Hey, I know it's inconvenient to change your background, but let's back down so you can see this is a problem I don't want to put myself in front of. That's why I blocked you, cause I'm not the guy you should rely on, spy on, creep on.